Welcome, I'm Anabrese. Thank you for joining me. If you're new to this channel, I welcome you, and please be sure and subscribe. This is a channel for unity awakening, recognizing the sacredness within ourselves, and it's especially for supporting empathic changemakers who are awakening to their divine purpose to help make the planet a better place for everyone. So in this video I wanted to talk about what it means to awaken to the sacred within and how that impacts our perception of the external world. So really the awakening journey is that recognition of that part of ourselves that has no words. You can't really describe it. It's the awareness that is always present and always prior to our experience, prior to our thoughts, prior to our egoic kind of tendencies. But our awareness is always there, it's always present within us. And in society, you know, we've been trained from a toddler to become more and more active mentally, and we get swamped with so much external information, especially today, in this day and age, with the amount of information we're exposed to. So being able to take time out to recognize and connect just with that field of presence within ourselves, because we have to go within really to recognize that. It's taking that time away, the focus away from all the busyness out here, and just giving ourselves the space to relax, the space to breathe and simply be, without any ideas, without any concepts, without any opinions, without any beliefs, but just to rest in awareness itself. And as we cultivate this awareness within ourselves, we notice that we remove the judgment, and so self-love becomes apparent. It's not something that you have to work at. You don't have to try and love yourself, because love just is. So when love is present, there is a natural empathy and compassion and unity that arises out of that space. The recognition that all is one, the recognition that we or you are not separate from the other forms on the planet. There is only source expressing itself in a variety of forms and beings. So this recognition really, really helps us to tap into our own sense of purpose, or what can arise is just a natural desire to serve, a natural desire to be of service, a natural desire to express our own light in this world, hence the term light workers or change makers. So in this, as we heal within our own past traumas, our own illusory perceptions about life and ourselves, as we heal what is false and become more authentic and just resting in this divine awareness, our own purpose or blueprint for being here starts to emerge. So we are able to unpack the blueprint, our natural, authentic desire to be here, and how that's going to manifest to be of service to others. So my role is here to assist people who are awakening to this sacredness within themselves, or who want to connect more with that and discover what their natural expression is, what their natural service is in the world. And it can be as simple as it could just be helping your community. It can manifest in many different ways. It could be just in natural parenting, it could be as a teacher, and it could be in normal jobs that that you're passionate about, whatever it is that you're passionate about. So I'm here to help you awaken your divine purpose and your calling, your passion, because as each one of us really starts to awaken to this natural sacred beingness within ourselves, this awareness, and become steady in that, then we can start to step into the world and allow that to express in its own unique way. So you all have a unique divine blueprint that wants to express itself at this time, in this incarnation that you've chosen. So this video, the purpose of this video is just to reconnect you with that sense of authenticity, authentic beingness that is always present within you. And if you would like help in or assistance in discovering that and cultivating it and nurturing it and bringing it out, the sun's just come really strongly in. I invite you to a free discovery call, just a 20 to 30 minute session where we can chat about your path, your life path, and where you're at just now, and where you feel you want to start to step into over the following year. So if that's something that interests you, the link will be below. And also, I'm the author of The Wise Method, Awakening Earth Stewards in Unity and Purpose. And that's also available on Amazon if you'd like to get to know me and my work a bit better. So thank you for being here today. I'm sending you love and light, and just, you're here, you're special, you're amazing. Please believe that. And, very grateful as each one of us emerges like a butterfly from our cocoons. We all help to raise the vibration on the planet at this time, and it's really important. So thank you for being here. I love you, and I'll see you again in the next video.